Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Glyza A. Apollo, 38 years old. I am married with one son. He is 18 years old now. I live in San Roque, Burgos, Isabela. I am college undergraduate. I took hospitality and tourism management in University of Makati.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. My experience in abroad is in Dubai for 4 years. One couple and 2 kids. Their age is 2 years old and 5 years old. My main duty there is taking care of the kids, doing house chores, cooking, and cleaning the car. I also have 12 experience in Singapore. My main duty in Singapore is taking care of newborn baby, doing marketing, cooking, car washing, and playing games with the kids.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
First of all, I need to let know of the employer that the baby is sick, check their temperature, and check the safety of the baby.
How would you describe yourself?
I am very patient and calm.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I need to work for my son study, and I want to be as financially stable in the future.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I need to remind myself that I need this job.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. at night and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I need to be more patient and calm to dealing with them.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to let man in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Old MacDonald have a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he have a cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, moo here, moo there, moo-moo everywhere. Old MacDonald have a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay. So what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, sir and ma'am. I hope you will select me as your helper. I promise to do my best and serve your family. Thank you.